Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam vase and centerpiece. And so what you're going to need, you will need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these glass vases in this shape. You will need one of these little fishbowl shaped vases as well. And I have got from Dollar Tree some of these little silver spoons. I have cut the handles off of them, and I have 72 of them in this little container here. I may or may not be using all of them. We'll see as we go along. From Dollar Tree, I have some white flowers for our centerpiece. I've got roses and hydrangeas, but you can use whatever color you like. Now from Walmart, I have these small peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And also from Walmart, I have these larger peel and stick gemstones as well. I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful vase and centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this vase turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.